Having a clogged drain can be a real pain, and the clogs aren't always the same. So luckily there's a solution. I got this 3-piece drain cleaning kit sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about this kit here is we got 3 different types of drain cleaners. So we got this one right here that's good to stick in sinks that have an obstruction in the way. So this one's pretty nice. I'll go ahead and show you how this one works here. And then you got this one right here. This is a real simple one. It's just got a squeezer on there, and then it opens up a claw at the end so you can get down into the drain and pick stuff up. And then if you got a really bad drain, you got an auger right here. So with this, you just open this up right here, and then you just let this off into the drain there. You just push that into your drain. And then once you get it in place there, you can just take this right here, and then it cleans out inside your drain. This goes around in the pipes right there. And you also get a pair of gloves here. Once you stick this down into the drain, you're not going to want to be touching it with your hands, so it's nice to have a pair of gloves here. And then when you're done with everything, it comes with a nice bag right here. All right, let me go ahead and show you how all these things work. This is the downstairs sink right here, and I use it for all kinds of things. I also use it to clean out brushes and do all kinds of chores and stuff, so there's no telling what's down there. So in order to clean out this drain right here, I'm going to use this one. You can see that this drain cleaner's got these spikes on it, so when you push it down to the drain, it just slides right down, and then when you pull it back up, those little spikes catch any debris or anything that's inside the drain. And it's really thin, so it's easy to slide down here in between the obstruction right there, since it's got the, just push this down in here. Feels like that's about as far as it wants to go. And then I'll pull it back up and see what comes out. Can definitely see why it comes with some gloves there, because it's got all that crud on there. You don't want to touch any of that. And there's a little more crud right here too. All right, so I got the nice glove on here. It fits really good. I got a pretty big hand too, and this fits really nice. So this is a nice glove right here. All right, and I'll push this back in here. It looks like there's a little more stuff there. Just try and get all this stuff out of here. Looks like this just came right out here, so we can clean this off real good. Now we'll try the other one. So this one's got the little claw in there. You just push this button right here, just squeeze that, and then the claw opens up there. So I'll put that down on the bottom. Just keep like going down there like this here. And then you got all that stuff out of there. So that one also cleans it out too, just by rubbing up against there. So you can see here the 2 ways to clean it is one with this one with the little spike on there, and then this one here with a little claw on it. Another thing you can do when you're done here is you can pour some dish soap down your drain, and then that'll help clean things up really good. And another thing you can do too with the dish soap is once you get the dish soap in there, you can also use it to clean this off. With all that soap down in there. And now you can put this in here, and then you can really get your drain cleaned up nice. You could also take this outside and clean it up with a hose, but since you're putting the soap down here, you might as well just go ahead and get that cleaned up really nice. Same thing with this one here, because this one got pretty dirty. And then when you take it out, you just put your towel on here, like that, and then it comes out all nice and clean. And then you can put it back in your little baggie and use it next time you have a clog. Okay, let's see how it does. Got the plug in the drain there. Go ahead and open it up. Looks like it's just draining right out. So yeah, those little drain cleaning tools did a great job. The kit also comes with a 33-foot auger right here. This has got a 33-foot auger that you could push down your pipe. You can either push it down underneath your sink, you just disconnect the pipes that go into the sewer on your wall here or on your floor. But if you have a clean out drain like this that I have here on the back of the house, then you could just clean it out that way. And with a 33-foot auger right here, you shouldn't have any trouble at all getting down into your sewer pipe to clean out the clogs. So yeah, this 33-foot auger is pretty nice, and this kit's pretty nice too. I like that it's got this bag right here, it's got the gloves, and then it's got a few more different types of drain cleaners too. So yeah, this is a great kit to have around if you need to clean out your sewer pipes or you got any clogs in your sinks or anything like that.